The 2012 Ford Taurus SEL, powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle, with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 28 miles per gallon. This Ford features front-wheel drive, dual front airbags, and power steering. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, air conditioning, and a CD player with MP3. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.